West Valley Division patrol officers were in the 6300 block of Balboa Boulevard when they saw a gray 2015 Toyota Camry being driven in an erratic manner and with its headlights turned off. The officers followed the Toyota and ultimately pulled up beside it at a red-phased tri-light at the intersection of Balboa and Burbank Boulevards. The officers attempted to alert the driver to turn the vehicle's headlights on, but were unsuccessful. Upon the tri-light turning green, the officers activated their police vehicle's emergency lights to conduct a traffic stop. However, the Toyota sped off at a high rate of speed.
Take off. It's going to be a barrel receipt on the front. It's going to be a quote.
It's going to be a DUI driver, but I don't want to do it. I would put out a failure to yield. It's raining. We're not going to go in pursuit. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You got it?
Just be advised.
All right. Going on. Not going in pursuit. It's raining. Failure to yield suspect. Let's see which way they go on the clock. Set up.
Due to the rainy weather conditions, the officers did not pursue the Toyota, but instead deactivated their police vehicle's emergency lights and followed the Toyota from a safe distance. Moments later, the Toyota collided into a metal tri-light signal pole at the intersection of Balboa Boulevard and Ventura Boulevard and became engulfed in flames. The collision caused the occupants to become lodged inside the disabled Toyota.
Okay, 39, this was related to our traffic stop. When we let them up, they took off. We were putting out info on failure to yield. They TC'd Ventura and Balboa. We're now code 6, Ventura and Balboa.
Upon arriving to the scene of the traffic collision, the officers requested a rescue ambulance for the occupants of the disabled Toyota. After discovering the occupants could not extricate themselves from inside the Toyota, the officers forced entry into the vehicle and removed the driver and passenger as flames enveloped the vehicle.
39, new location.
39, repeat.
I got it. 1039, this was related to our traffic stop. When we let them up, they took off. We were putting out info on failure to yield. They TC'd Ventura and Balboa. We're now code 6, Ventura and Balboa. Let's make sure they're all right. 39 negative. Let me get FD rolling. Can you get out?
No emergency at this time. 1039, the nature of injuries brought to you.
Show me around. It's related to a TC. Related to the TC, and the car's starting to catch fire.
1039.
Can you get out? Watch out, I'm gonna pop the airbag.
I don't know, you're just making a backup so you guys can respond to the dream. Any vicinity, 1039, circle.
I can't open it. I need to get you out of the car.
So it's going to be a cold fire at Balboa and Ventura.
Can you get out the rear, sir?
Can you open the back door?
Lioness, 1010, just want to continue from the station.
Watch out, hey, watch out, I'm gonna break the window. You guys gotta get out of the car.
Can't get out?
I can't open the car, you gotta get out. Get out.
I can't open it. I can't get out. My leg's hurting.
You gotta get out of the car. You gotta get out of the car.
No, I can't.
Yes, sir.
Drag her. Get the driver out.
Oh, I can't get up.
Is anyone else in the car?
No, hold on.
Can you get up?
Get up.
I
You need to get
can't.
up.
After questioning the driver and passenger, the officers discovered that there was possibly a third occupant in the rear passenger area. The officers made multiple attempts to gain entry into the rear passenger area, but were unsuccessful.
Everything inside? Get the driver out. Is anyone else in the car? Crack it. Fuck. Hey, get out. Get out here. This way. Get out. Anybody else in the car? Fuck. God damn it. Fuck. Okay. Hey, we're gonna move you up. Let's get away from the car. Are you able to? Hold on, the leg's broken. Let's go. Okay. All right, relax. Here, hey, we gotta get him back. We gotta get him back.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
I'm dragging more, okay? I'm so sorry.
We gotta move it all the way. Let's go. All right, you got him. Hey, it's only 2 people in the car, right?
3.
3?
Me, her, and those set.
Is someone else in the car? Fuck! How many people in the car?
They said only 2.
Hey, is there another person in the car, yes or no?
There's 3.
3? Get back off the street, sir! Fuck! Fire extinguisher! Where's the fire extinguisher? Hey, they said there's 3 in the car! I didn't see anybody in the back. No? You sure? Back up, sir. Hey, is it? So, we gotta check the back. What? They said there's a 3rd person in the back.
That person's gone up in the back seat.
see anybody in the back seat.
No? Okay.
You could blow.
Yeah, back up. We tried.
I opened the back seat.
Okay, good. They said there's a third person, so
I didn't see anybody. Alright?
Yeah, I'm fucking bruised. Alright.
Over here. Over here. When we let them up, they took off. We were pulling out of their front accelerated yield. The TC, Ventura and Balboa. Now we're going to Ventura and Balboa.
Suicide GT, round over on Ventura.
Make sure they're all right.
Yes, sir.
39 negative. Let me get FT one. Can you get out?
No emergency at this time. 10:39. The nature of injuries for FD.
Related to a TC. Related to the TC. The car's starting to catch fire.
See this rear door.
10:39.
Door's locked.
Can you get out? Watch out, I'm gonna pop the airbag.
Gentlemen, just making a backup so you guys can respond code 3.
Any vicinity, 10:39, requested by
Can't open it.
supervisor
I need to get you out of the car.
Suspect vehicle fire at Balboa and Ventura.
Can we get out through the rear, sir?
Can you open the back door?
All units, 10:10, 20 from the station.
Watch out, hey, watch out, I'm gonna break the window.
Responsibility for call in
You guys gotta get out of the car.
They can't get out?
I can't open the car, you gotta go. Get out.
Get out, get out.
Get out. You gotta
Yes,
get out of
sir.
the car. You gotta get out.
Get out.
No, I can't.
Yes, sir.
Driver.
Give me your arm.
Get the driver out.
Oh, I can't get up.
Is anyone else in the car?
No, hold on.
Get up.
Get up, get up. You need to get up. All right, I'm gonna drag you back, okay? Come here.
No, I can't. Please.
I'm gonna drag you. I have to drag you.
Oh,
I have to drag you
I
away from the car.
can't. Oh, my leg.
Come here. I have to drag you, okay? The car's caught on fire. I have to. I'm so sorry. Okay? I'm gonna keep pulling you. Are you okay?
Dude, I'm so sorry. Please.
Anybody else in the car?
Penny 39 for FD. Are there any? Is there anyone trapped inside the vehicle?
39. We got both occupants.
Ma'am, I need to pull you further away, okay?
I'm sorry. I can't move. My leg's hurting.
I'm gonna pull you.
Ow.
Can I pull you further away?
Get him on the curb.
Out of the vehicle.
Okay. 39. All right. You guys trapped in the car. Hey, we gotta get him out. We gotta get him back.
Yeah, come on.
Goodbye, let's
I'm gonna drag you more, okay?
I
I know it
can't.
hurts.
My
I'm so
legs
sorry. I
hurt.
have to.
Start.
I have to.
I'm gonna move the shot back. That's good. Is someone else in the car? How many people in the car?
They said only 2. Is there anyone else in the car? Fuck. There's 3?
Get back off the street, sir!
Get off the street. Get away from the street, sir.
The car! I can see anybody in the back seat when I opened it.
The driver of the Toyota was later identified as a 14-year-old female. The passenger of the Toyota was later identified as 18-year-old Brianna Trejo. The Los Angeles Fire Department responded to the scene and extinguished the vehicle fire. Upon extinguishing the vehicle fire, they discovered a third occupant wedged in the rear passenger compartment. The officers had not been able to previously see the third occupant due to the dark window tint of the vehicle. the active vehicle fire and because the third occupant had been wedged under the driver's seat. The rear passenger of the Toyota was later identified as a 16-year-old female. She was pronounced deceased at scene by fire department personnel. Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics transported the driver of the Toyota and passenger Trejo to a local hospital to be treated for the injuries they sustained as a result of the traffic collision. While there, medical staff determined that the injuries sustained by the driver required admittance to the hospital. Passenger Trejo was treated and ultimately released.